Hey guys, welcome back to It's PriscillaMarie. Today I'm so excited because I got my BoxyCharm and I did actually apply everything to my face. I personally like watching more of the try-ons, makeup tutorial kind of BoxyCharms on boxings. So I really hope you guys enjoy this way more than me just showing you guys what I got in the box. I was so excited for this month's box, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it in the order that I actually used them this morning. Alright, so the first thing in the box is the South Main Eye Pack Gel. It comes with 3 and it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. I applied it this morning and it really hydrated my under eyes and it felt amazing since I had a headache. Really loving this. It says for best result, use 3 consecutive days. Alright, so we also got a pack of 3 brushes that retail for $23.15. I am using it for the look that I'm going to do right now. Alright, and the eyeshadow palette is $36. It's a beautiful, colorful eyeshadow from Pure Cosmetics, and they are nice and pigmented. And I'm about to do a look right now. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply that hot pink shade all over the crease. This is going to be the first transition shade. As you can tell, the color is extremely pigmented. I did do a couple layers to apply the pigmentation that I really desired for the look. But I absolutely love it. This is the only part I did not actually use the brush that came in BoxyCharm. This one's actually the Wet n Wild brush. Alright, now I'm going into that deeper shade, and this one is one of the brushes that came in the set. It's the one with the angle. Now applying this color directly into the crease and moving it a little bit upwards to blend it in and create some definition. This eyeshadow was a little bit harder to blend out because the formula is a tiny bit drier. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and apply some Kat Von D concealer. This is just going to kind of give the blue eyeshadow a very good sticky base so that it really shows off the true pigmentation of the eyeshadow. And then I did dabbing motions to concentrate the color with that beautiful blue shade. The blue doesn't really need help. I just wanted it to pop even more since I did go with pink and they're 2 completely different colors. I wanted to be both, okay? Alright, then I went in with that deeper brown again, just to kind of smoke out the look and help everything blend in together. Since the box did not come with an eyeliner, I applied the black to the outer corner just to create a little bit of a wing eye. Alright, so the next thing in the box is actually the mascara. I was so surprised. I did not think I was going to love this mascara, but the wand is very similar to the Better Than Sex mascara. I did apply 2 layers to my eye and I love it. I'm obsessed. It looks so pretty. Right, then I went in with that gold shade to the inner corner of my eyes to draw in the light. And then I went in with that dark brown again and dabbed it underneath my lash line to smoke out the lower lash line. Alright, so next thing that came in the box is a beautiful blush. I'm so happy that I got the neutral shade. And I applied it to my cheeks. So you can tell it's so pigmented, but it did last all day and it looks really nice when you apply it lightly. You see, that's it better. Light hands, light hands. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys oh so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on my